A.M. Laguyo, Police Provincial Director. Lieutenant Colonel Jesse Bergonia, Commanding Officer 97 IB. Our STEAM Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Maria Lisa R. Cabilon. Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Rosario B. Conturno. OIC, CID Chief, Dr. Edgardo Cabalida, Division and District Supervisors, Barangay Officials, valued stakeholders, school heads, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, maayong hapon sa atong tanan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wal barakatuh. Today's State of the Division Address and the 2025 Partnership Excellence Award is more than a ceremony. It is a celebration of shared commitment and collective achievement. The SODA provides us with the opportunity to reflect on our progress and reaffirm our dedication to delivering quality education. The Partnership Excellence Award, on the other hand, honors those whose unwavering support has strengthened our schools and empowered our learners. This gathering underscores a powerful truth. Education thrives when communities unite. Our partnership with civil society and the private sector, and of course, the government agencies are the foundation upon which we build inclusive, equitable, and transformative learning environments. Together, we have proven that collaboration is not just a strategy, it is lifeblood of progress. On behalf of the Department of Education, SDO Dipolog City, I extend my deepest gratitude to our partners and stakeholders, especially our local government officials, barangay leaders, and of course, the external partners, whose generosity and commitment have made a lasting impact. To the organizing committee, the Social Mobilization and Networking section of the School Governance and Operation Division, led by Ms. Giselle Chu, a hand for Ms. Chu, and of course, her partner, Ms. Gina Cairmari. Thank you for your exemplary work in making this event a huge success. As we close this program, let us carry forward the spirit of unity and excellence. May this occasion inspire us to continue working hand in hand for the future of our learners. One DepEd, one Dipolog, we raise as one. Thank you, Jessica Lakailan. May the Almighty reward us, all of us, with goodness. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Thank you, Sir Nor. So as we unceasingly brave the challenges, we, in reality, must take part in this positive endeavor of sustainable and responsible living. As always, we let the quintessence of unity live in